So are you also still sending SMSs manually to all the form submissions you receive from JotForm? Then it's time for a change. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how to send SMS alerts for new JotForm submissions, and that too automatically. So yes, like you, I also use JotForm to collect the registrations for the workshops I conduct regularly. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new form submission from JotForm, I want to send an automated SMS towards my registrant, and that too without any manual intervention. So to do this, we're going to create a connection between JotForm and Twilio. And in order to send automated SMSs, I'm going to use Twilio. And yes, we're going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's see how we can send automated SMSs like this towards our registrants we received from JotForm submission. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and I'm an existing user, so I directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open my workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on that sign up for free and open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And once you click on the sign up for free button, you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for JotForm and select it. For the event, we have to select new response and click on this connect. Now copy this webhook URL and open the JotForm. So this is the form for which I want to create this automation. So I've opened this form. Now from here, we have to go towards this settings, and from the left end of the site, we have to go towards this integrations. And once we come on this integrations, we have to search for webhooks. So let's search for webhooks and select it, and over here we have to erase everything, and now we have to paste the webhook URL which we copied from the workflow and click on this complete integration. It is saying it may take a while, and yes, integration is ready. So click on this finish, and after you click on this finish, you have to go towards this publish, and you're going to see that this is the URL of my form. So click on this open in new tab. So once you add the webhook URL in your form, automatically your JotForm is connected with Pabbly Connect. But now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response by doing the test submission. So what we have to do is we have to enter the details and submit this form to do the test submission. For the street address, I'm going to keep it as Old Street. Now for the city, I'm going to keep it as Bhopal over here. For the state, I'm going to keep it as Madhya Pradesh. Now let's move on further. I'm going to keep the zip code as this, and now I'm going to select the country as India. So let's look for India. Now I'm going to keep the area code, and then I'm going to enter the phone number over here. After entering all of these details, let's click on this complete registration, and you're going to see that we have successfully submitted this registration, and over here Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. So yes, we just have to wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response, and here's the response. You're going to see all the details which we entered during the test submission has been captured, and with this we have successfully completed our trigger step. And now whenever new form submission is made for this form, automatically this workflow is going to get triggered, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. Now we have to send automated SMSs, something like this. So what we have to do is we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Twilio. So yes, I'm going to search for it selected. For the action event, I'm going to select send SMS message and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. It is asking me for the account SID, authorization token, and account SID. So for that, you have to open your Twilio account and scroll, and over here is the account SID, authorization token, and the Twilio phone number. So first you have to copy this account SID and paste it over here in both of these account SID fields. And now for the authorization token, copy it and paste it right over here. After pasting this, click on this save, and your Twilio account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter this body of SMS, so let's enter it, and over here I'm going to enter the name of my registrant, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So I've kept the SMS really short because I want to just notify them about the registration successful. If you wish, you can definitely enter a longer SMS. Now what I have to do is I have to enter the sender's number, so it will be right over here below this authorization token. Let's copy and paste it. Now for the recipient number, we have to map the number of the recipient. So let's look for the phone number, and first we have to map the code, and then we have to map the recipient number. And after mapping this, what you have to do is you have to click on this save and send test request. But as you can see that this is a dummy phone number, so I'm just going to replace this number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. And after replacing this, now let's click on this save and send test request, and I'm going to see that we have successfully received this response that we have successfully sent the SMS. Alright, so I'm just going to show the screenshot of the SMS. So you're going to see that this is the SMS which we have sent to test user. It is saying send from your Twilio trial account because I'm using a Twilio trial account. But if you're using a Twilio account which is paid, this line will not be sent towards your registrant. The message will start from hello. So yes, you're going to see we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new registration from this firm submission, an automated SMS something like this will be sent towards my registrant. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and try it for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.